Listen, have you made a decision you instantly regretted? Like you just reacted and then wondered why did you even do that? Maybe it was snapping at a friend, or blowing up on your parents, or just making a bad decision. And the worst part is that because of that you feel worse, and then your emotions take over even more, and you're just stuck in this loop of bad decisions. Most advice on the internet just says, talk it out, let your emotion out. Well, the problem as guys is that if you're, for example, feeling anger, if you let your emotion out, it's literally just punching someone in the face. And there's a lot of things preventing us from doing that, not only legally, but morally. So that's why the typical guy advice is sit in a room alone and crank out sets of 10 push-ups. So today I'm sharing my 5-step system I use to control my emotions and not be controlled by them. This isn't just about controlling your emotions and not showing them. This is about making decisions that are logical and that you won't regret later. Stick with me because this may change the way you make decisions forever. So the first step is recognizing the emotion. This won't help us let it out or anything. You just need to recognize the emotion. So instead of being mad or annoyed, you need to pause and think, what exactly are you feeling? Is it anger, frustration, jealousy? Not because you will let the emotions out, because as guys we simply don't work like that, but because you will be able to think about a reason and just name the emotion. It won't be as relevant right now, but for our next step it will be crucial. The second step is something you don't hear a lot, and it's releasing the tension physically. As guys, our emotions build up and the tension is physically. You're gonna be like this, you're gonna be hunched down and stressed. You will be basically, the tension will be in your body, and that's why talking it out feels useless. So what you need to do is just, if you're feeling mad, upset, or even stressed, just grab a pillow and punch it as hard as you can, or a punching bag, or you could just go for a run or a bike ride, or do some push-ups, jump rope, something to let the tension literally go out of your body. You will feel 10 times better just after doing this one step. This one step changed completely how I deal with stress. It is revolutionary. If you want just one takeaway from this video, it is this one. Now that you've calmed down, you need to identify the root cause. As guys, we're naturally logical, so if you have a problem, we just cut the cause. We just get rid of the cause. So this step is literally just that. Find the reason you were feeling upset or angry or whatever your emotions were, and just find what the problem is. Was it a bad grade, an insult, someone left you out, something? Find the reason so you can either work on it or you can fix it. Try to think the real cause, not the symptoms. So if you're feeling left out or something, and that's why you're upset, think about exactly why you may be left out, or think exactly why you don't want to be left out. I mean, this one is pretty logical, but think about the exact cause, not only the external cause, but why you reacted like that. It isn't about surface level things, it's to go deeper. So those last 3 steps were to get the emotions out, to let them out, and now the next 2 steps are gonna be how to actually make the decision you need to make. So the first thing is assess everything logically. Think about the whole situation, everything that happens, all the context. And in this step, a secret I have that completely transformed everything and all my decision making is use ChatGPT. I know it sounds dumb, but just get your phone, get the mic feature, and explain in crucial detail everything, your whole situation. The more detail, the better. And then just ask, what should I do? Don't give it any bias. Don't think, hey, I think I should do this one, or option A looks quite enticing, what do you think? Because ChatGPT is designed to agree with you. So just give him an unbiased question like, what should I do? Or which one do you think is the best one for X interest you have? And you will probably take that one. But this is for assessing the situation. We're just assessing the situation. So ask ChatGPT what may be the outcomes or the results of each action, the consequences. Think about everything. Just gather as much information as you possibly can. And finally, step number 5 is make an informed decision. Just assess everything, all you have, your calmness, the situation, all the logical thinking, and just put it all together and think, what's the best decision I can do? In this case, also use ChatGPT with a similar prompt like above, just like, what should I do? That's it. And think about exactly the decision. And right now that you already have all your options, choose one. If you're not feeling sure and you don't know, you're 50-50, just walk away. Don't worry. You can come back another day. Sometimes mental clarity from another day is better than the whole system. So that's it for this video. Go click this video, which you think it's great for you. It specifically picked it out for you, so go watch it. Don't miss your opportunity, because this video will help you improve a ton. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another upload of mine. I post videos like this twice per week. And remember, go watch this video so you don't miss out on all the juicy information I have in that one.